Good morning, Monday the 6th of February, new Bitcoin update. Looking at this on the daily, we are pulling back a bit, but yeah, I think we first might take out these highs before we do get a correction. Of course, it could happen from here, but I mean a correction lower, maybe even to 20k. We still have a CME gap over there, but I think we might first see a move a bit higher. When I go to the lower time frame, this pattern doesn't look to me as a start of a very strong move to the downside. Not yet. Look, this looks corrective to me, and we could even break out here and continue higher to make another new high in this rally. So on the lower time frames, I'm looking for a bounce, and that bounce could bring us towards 23,400, 500 into this supply zone. Yesterday I was looking here for a bit higher, a move like this, and then to short it, but didn't get my entry and already came down here. For now, yeah, I do see that we took out this previous swing low, so I do think we can see a bounce, also because this is the area where we have a CME gap from the last weekend. So on the lower time frame, I'm looking for this. I'm not sure if I get it, but we do have some move to the upside. So this morning a bounce, took out this previous lower high and broke also here the supply zone. So I'm looking for this kind of ABC pattern into this demand zone, hoping that I get it, and then a move higher to fill that CME gap. After that, we have to see. It's more or less also here this previous range high, so we could perfectly do a bearish retest of that range, older range high, and even go a bit higher to close that CME gap. And then we could make this move like this, an A, B, C, towards, let's say, 22,000 more or less. But yeah, also want to try to get in this move. Who knows, maybe we do this. And then we could still go for 24,500 or even a bit higher. But at least taking out that previous top, which was here at 25,000 even. So yeah, and when I look also at the, let me see where I have it, the dollar chart, it is very strong, absolutely. But this also leans towards, I think, a reversal pattern. Yeah, when I zoom in, I can see it here. This is a typical reversal pattern, which I always keep an eye on. This is often the start of a correction coming. So maybe the dollar a bit more up, but then coming down for a correction. That would be the move for the bounce for Bitcoin. And then after that we have to see, is the dollar rallying again, or is Bitcoin rallying again? But taking it level for level, for now looking for a lower time frame entry on Bitcoin for a move to at least 23,400. And tomorrow we'll see again.